McAuliffe Kinder Camp, take one.
The kindergarten teachers came to me about 5 years ago and said that we really needed another way to divide up our classes. It didn't matter, no matter how hard we tried, we just couldn't get the right system of how to place them without knowing them. So they wanted to wait and place them after a week. Then by the end of the week, they'll know who it is, and it kind of exploded into Kinder Camp.
Kinder Camp is a really great way for us to get to know the kids. We circulate the kids throughout different groups, and we have a lot of fun activities planned. Every day we have a big activity.
This week we had a petting zoo, we had a reptile, the snake man came.
We ate a dirt worm snack, and it's really yummy. I really like the petting zoo. My favorite thing about kindergarten was actually petting the snakes. They don't hurt you at all. I promise you, they don't hurt.
We've made s'mores together because our theme is camping this year. But then throughout the day, we also have individual activities that each teacher plans. And so the kids rotate through all 4 of our classrooms.
Because when we move classes, I like meeting new teachers.
It really is just about getting to know the kiddos, getting to know these sweet little friends that this is their first big year of school, and it's an important one.
Kindergarten camp gives us a great opportunity to see the children in different settings, in different classrooms. We watch them interact together, and that way we get to create balanced classrooms to begin the year.
There's a lot of kids who are readers. We want to make sure that we group some of them together, spread some of them out. If we have some really older kids, we want to make sure we spread those kids out. If we have a lot of younger kids, we don't want to put them all together. So there's a lot of little processes that go along with it, but in the end, every one of those children are chosen special by that teacher, and when they walk out of that room, they have their babies, and that's all that it takes.
The reveal is the most exciting part of the entire week. All of the children from McAuliffe line the hallways. All of the kindergartners go into the library. In the library, Miss Mattingly calls their name, and their colored t-shirt is in a brown paper bag. They rip open that brown paper bag, they see their t-shirt, but they still don't know who their teacher is. They put on their t-shirt, and then our 5th grade helpers grab their hands and run them down their hall smiling while the rest of the school is clapping for them.
And I would say it's a lot more fun to run down the hallways and hear everyone screaming for you and see everyone super excited for you, and then finally get to figure out who your teacher was.
They run into their classroom. We're here to give them a hug. We paint their faces with the color of that classroom. They get a little piece of fabric tied around their head, and then we all celebrate that we're in class together.
It's just such a fun celebration and kickoff to the year.
My favorite thing to do this week is meet all my new friends and my teachers.
I just love Kinder Camp because it's a great time for me to get to know all the kids.
I really do feel like each one of us picked each child to be in our class, and it's more meaningful.
Always just brings tears to my eyes because the kids are so happy and we're so excited. I almost couldn't sleep last night because I was so excited getting to welcome those kids into my classroom.
And that's a wrap.